Hello, in this video I will explain how the automated phone call processing and analysis system works implemented in the n8n environment using Assembly AI and LLM services. According to the technical specifications, the workflow receives raw call links from a Google Sheet, filters them by status, processed or unprocessed, performs transcription, and in this block determines the sentiment of the conversation and the category of the inquiry. So let's launch the workflow for demonstration. It accesses the Google Sheet, filters, and performs transcription with a delay. With a 5-second pause for transcription, the final result is then written to the Google Sheet after analysis by the language model. All results, including transcription, artificial intelligence analysis cost, and call duration, are recorded in the processing queue, where you can see the status, completed or not completed, the time and date of processing, the cost of transcription processing, the cost of language model processing, the call duration in seconds, the word count, the tone, negative, positive, or neutral, and the category of the call. The status is then set to done and recorded to prevent it from being processed again. The workflow has built-in an error handling workflow, which is also recorded in the same table, but on a different sheet called error. If we fail to process it, it is automatically recorded there. An AI agent is also implemented here, which displays call statistics. It is implemented in the form of a chat and can display statistics for a specific period. I'm demonstrating how it works. It accesses the language model and outputs request, because I did not say which week, last week, this week, and I didn't specify the category full output of all calls, or just by categories, negative, neutral, or all. Yeah, I'm typing for this week. Positive. The model processes the follow-up request and displays this week's data. Our week runs from Monday to today, which is July 24th. If it were Saturday, it would be July 25th, and so on. There are 50 calls in total, 17 positive, which is 34%, and it continues to work in that manner. You saw the work of the AI model itself, the memory access, and the statistics retrieval tool on the screen. 12 phone calls were processed for testing. The scheduler trigger was set to run for 10 seconds for demonstration purposes. The full data processing cycle for the call data workflow took 3 minutes and 44 seconds for testing. This solution fully automates the process of analyzing phone calls, ensures quick access to analytics via an AI agent, and allows management to promptly evaluate customer service quality. Regarding financial cost reductions, this will save up to $655 per month. The payback period for such a project will be around 2 months. Automatic call analysis reduces processing time by 70 to 80%, as I mentioned, and it will be possible to cut the confectionery's call processing staff costs by nearly 50%. Furthermore, implementing the call processing system allowed for the reduction of one employee who previously handled manual processing, which lowered company expenses and increased operational efficiency. Thank you for your attention.